Good morning, Philippines!
Hey, i-prank ko si Tami sa sasakyan. I-try natin i-prank. Kasi alam nyo naman yung asawa ko, kapag mag-prank, parang madali niyang maanuhan ba? Parang naanuhan ata niya na palagi akong nagpa-prank lately. So ngayon, ipaprank natin siya sa sasakyan. Hindi ko i-on itong camera. Hindi ko ito i-on. At ito lang yung i-on ko. Okay, hopefully hindi niya mahalata. And then, dramahan natin siya. Yeah, habang nagdadrive ako, ipaprank natin siya. Na iwanan natin siya. Yun. So, yun siya. Yun yung plano. And hopefully, tignan natin kung ano mga sasabihin niya. Yun. Prank. So, anyway.
Maybe you want to be single.
What? Then why would I get married? There's something not right in your head sometimes.
Yeah.
You say stuff that's like if you're tired of it, you can just say, I'm really tired of you. You got too many problems going on. I get that.
No.
But don't turn around and try and make like something I want. Oh, we're gonna do this because you want. No, You want to do it because you want it, then just say the truth, what it is. Try and turn it around into something else.
I just need, I need this space for a few months.
What? Okay. So if you need space for a few months, then that's what you gotta do, hon.
Are you sure?
No, if that's what you need to do, then you need to do it.
Like what if become a year?
Well, if you turn a few months into a year, then I guess you need more space than you thought.
So is that okay with you?
If this is what you need to do, then yes, hon, it's okay with me. Oh no! These cops here, right?
And you think, so I will leave you and the kids for months or year.
Months or a year, so you're already planning more than a couple of months.
You think you will be still there waiting for me?
Where am I going, hon?
You think you can wait?
Yes, hon. I can wait. Where am I gonna go?
You're not gonna find another woman?
Yeah, not likely. I think.
I'm gonna do that few months from now. I'm gonna leave.
I have to deal with it. I deal with whatever I have to deal with. That's life.
You've been pranked.
How's the camera, hon?
He's right here.
You're pranked, baby. I'm not gonna leave you. Guys, he really thought I'm going to leave him because he has a lot of problem. No, I'm not gonna leave you. You've been pranked, baby. Do you believe me when I say that?
Yes, hon.
Huh?
Yes, and I don't like the prank.
Ayaw niya yung prank. Yeah, prank. I love you. Hoy! Hoy! Tommy, look at me. I love you.
I love you too, and I still don't think it's a funny prank.
I won't leave you till death do us part. Even we fall apart.
Falling apart is what I do best, apparently.
I love you.
Love you too. Turn your camera off.
It's a prank, baby. Don't get hurt. Nasaktan yan, guys. Yung mukha niya para ng anek. Kawawa naman, oy. Wawa naman, baby. Give me a kiss, babe. I love you. Give me a kiss.
Son, drive your car.
Give me a kiss.
I can't. My seatbelt doesn't even let me put it in my shirt pocket.
Then I will leave you. I love you. I'm sorry.
Turn your camera off now.
I'm sorry. Shut up the camera daw, guys. Hindi man masaya si Mister, oy. Ay. Tommy, give me chicken. Hindi masaya si Tommy sa prank ko, guys. He's not happy with the prank. Naniwala talaga siya, guys. Bibi. Naniwala talaga. Akala talaga niya iwan ko raw siya pa. Dahil ano daw, marami na daw siyang problema sa katawan. Mga nararamdaman niya, iwan ko daw siya. Okay lang daw. Kaloka. He's still looking to order something. You know what? His Taco Bell craving, it's been months, guys. It's nag-gool, kung sa Bisaya pa, nag-gool. Nakikita ko sa mukha niya. Nag-goal, I know hindi siya nakakatawa, pero tinatry ko lang talaga kung ano yung reaction. Pero hindi pala talaga. Pero pinayagan naman ako, hindi naman nag-ano. Pero makikita mo sa mukha, nag-isip ba? Nag-isip siya. Iniisip niya, sabi ko, iwan ko kayo, pati yung mga alaga natin. Napaisip tuloy siya. Kasi 4 yung alaga. Kung magtrabaho siya, iwan, ano nang gagawin niya? Kawawa naman yung baby ko. There's a lot of people walking out. Ano lang, okay lang siya. Yung, ano, kung iwan pala, okay lang pala ito. Sa kanya, pero, ang sakit. Ang sakit-sakit, mister. Sobrang init na. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching. So yun lang yung prank natin, and hindi na natin dagdagan kasi yan, nagutom tuloy, naghanap ng Taco Bell. Nagutom si Sawi. Nagutom ka sa prankan, so naghanap ka na ng Taco Bell. Bell, Taco Bell. You're so cute. I love you. Oh, you love me too. Oh, you're licking your chops. You miss Taco Bell. Honey, you don't realize that you lick your chops. Baby. Your broken lips. Where's your chopstick? Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching sa prank, and i-end ko na to dito kasi punta kami cemetery. Ibang video na lang yun. So yan, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys
Prepare
in the
to
next
exit the
time.
highway in 2 miles at exit 15.
I know yung prank is mean, but kailangan kong i-prank. So wag kayong magalit, wag kayong magalit. Wag kayong magalit na you guys doesn't like I prank Tommy that way. You love Tommy so much. They don't want me to hurt you, hon. Hurt your feelings. Ay, kinikilig si Mister. I'm so noisy. What? Do you have it? Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys sa mga susunod na video. Bye! Say bye, Han.
Hi guys. Okay, you don't want to stop there first, right?
No.
I figure we stop there, and stop at the house of Pete, and then go to the cemetery and go straight home.
We go home? We go home first?
I'm saying if you want to stop at Taco Bell first, and we go there, and then we go to